it's Carly McAvoy. Today I just want to quickly explain a little bit about electrical circuits and how to find the voltage across one of the single resistors that might be in a chain. So this is a picture of a electrical circuit, and everything I'm saying is right here, but V is the voltage. And then these R1, R2, and R3 are what we could really say is sub 1, R sub 2, and R sub 3 are three different resistances. Resistors placed in a row, and resistance is measured in ohms, which we use the Greek letter omega for that. And then you have I down here, which represents the current. So the total resistance, we say R subscript total, or R total. And then for a single resistor, we can say R sub S, so that stands for a single resistor. We have V for voltage, but we can also have V sub S, which is the single voltage measured across each resistor. So each resistor has a voltage associated with it. There exists a very important relationship between voltage and resistance, and that relationship can be seen in this proportion where we have a single voltage over the total voltage is proportional to the single resistor over the total resistance. So let's look at an example. We can work that out. First of all, in this diagram, we have three resistors, and those are 6 for R sub 1, 10 for R sub 2, and 4 for R sub 3, and they're connected to a 12-volt battery. So calculate the total resistance. The resistance total is just adding up these three numbers. So we have R1, R2, and R3, that should be a 3 there, add up to 6, 10, and 4 add up to 20. So if we're just talking about find the voltage across R sub 2, that you can think of this relationship R sub 2 to total as 10 out of 20. So there's 20 ohms of resistance, and that is 10 out of 20, so 1 over 2. But really we want to go back to this relationship to find out what is the voltage across R sub 2. We would do the single voltage to voltage, the R sub 2 in our case, because we're looking for that, to the R sub total. And so the single voltage is what we're looking for. But we know the total voltage is 12 because it's connected to a 12-volt battery. And then we have this 1 over 2. And you could put that in as 10 over 20, which is fine. You'd get the same answer. To simplify this, we would multiply 12 times 1 and divide by 2, which is going to be 12 divided by 2, or 6. So the voltage across R sub 2 is 6 volts. All right, that should help you through that example. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.